Let's fill out the Idaho General Power of Attorney together, the document that lets someone you trust handle your money and property. Start with you, the principal. Type your full legal name and where you live. Use your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, so there's no doubt who signed. Now name your agent, the person you're giving authority to. Here, Ben Carter, with their address. And name an alternate. Here, Carlos Diaz, in case your first choice can't serve, so your document doesn't stall if something happens. Now the powers. The form lists subjects, A through N. To give your agent authority over everything, initial the line in front of N. To grant only some, initial just those specific lines instead. Then choose when it takes effect. Here, effective immediately. One important thing, depending on your state, a general power of attorney may stop working if you become incapacitated. If you want it to keep working no matter what, ask about a durable power of attorney instead. Finally, print your name and date it. Sign it the way your state requires. We'll cover those exact rules in the recap. Then, give a copy to your agent and to anyone they'll deal with, like your bank. First things first, the document needs to be signed. Now, that signature can come from the principal themselves, or it can be signed by another individual, but only in the principal's conscious presence, and only when the principal has directed that person to sign the principal's name on the power of attorney. So the principal has to be right there, aware of what's happening and giving that direction. Pretty important distinction. Now, once you've got that signature, here's something really helpful to know. If the principal acknowledges the signature before a notary public or before another individual who is authorized to take acknowledgments, that signature is then presumed to be genuine. That's a big deal because it adds a layer of legal reliability to the whole document. So, to recap, you need a proper signature, either from the principal directly or from someone signing in the principal's conscious presence at the principal's direction. And getting that signature acknowledged before a notary public or other authorized individual means the signature carries a presumption of genuineness. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll be on solid footing when putting together a general power of attorney. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.